Y'all gotta stop hating on my dog Spunnism.
Check. Yo, this feel like summertime. Oh nah, I'm getting money. Told moms I found it.
We're here with Vera. Everything is verified. We're at Taste of Akko. Shouts to my boy Roddy. Shouts to Omer. Thank you for having us, guys. I'm about to get into this hummus right here. This is the mushroom hummus. We got the beautiful pita bread. Oh my god, look at that. That was delicious. Your turn? Okay, no problem. Here. What do you say? Verified? Thumbs up?
That's majority. Most play a role without autonomy, but then you got those like
they just brought out to us. With the Israeli salad, with the carrots. Oh my god, everything looks amazing.
God claiming that they great, never been as good. Coolest cat. Got him hoping that I would slip. Black and mild mannered, please hop up off the wood tip. Not an agriculturalist, I don't need the bullshit. Watching all the runts while I'm smoking on some good shit. And to keep it blunt, or y'all Reggie at the most. It's like champagne and bread, either way you niggas toast. And you know this shit dope, fans high, can't sober up. My potential limitless.
Yeah, she's tearing it up.
What's that, Vera? Beef? Yum.
There you go.
That's a big bite, girl. It's good? Wow. All vegetarian meal. Delicious. With my two best friends.
If you're wondering what that was, that's the shakshuka, and it is amazing. We're here at Taste of Akko, new vegetarian spot. Shouts to my boy Roddy. Shouts to my boy Omer. Everything is delicious. We've had the hummus, we've had the Israeli salad, we've had the beet salad, olives. Everything is delicious. The pita, super soft, and Vera loves everything, as you can see. You like the cabbage?
Verified, guys?
Verified. Thank you.
I wasn't really shit, but I always had to try. So much I gotta do. I'm just trying to stay alive. Cause you know your brother black. And you know what's niggas die. I-95, I got money on my mind. To fill up in your spine. Let me hit it one more time.
Now, tell us about the coffee. We got some coffee here too, right?
Yep, they got lattes, cappuccinos, coffee, orange juice, whatever you need. My boy Roddy got you covered.
I know you had the time of your life, but we gon' get this money tonight. Them bitches that I fuck with, aight, but we gon' get this money tonight. They say that it's wrong, we think that it's right, so we gon' get this money.